Hello, and welcome back to my channel. I'm Melissa. Have you ever heard of the saying, make your money work for you? In a nutshell, compound interest can achieve this. Compound interest is your money making more money over time. In today's video, I'll explain how it works, as well as why reinvesting your interest or dividends is a better option than taking your gains and spending it as income. By the end, you'll have a better understanding of how much more money you can make by power of compound interest over time. To begin, it's important to understand simple interest. Simple interest is just the interest earned just on the principal. Let's look at an example. Scenario number 1. If you put $1,000 into the stock market and received 7% yearly interest for 10 years. In the first year, you'll earn $70 on your $1,000 investment. If you keep your $1,000 in the stock market but take your earnings out to buy something nice, in year 2, you'll earn another $70. You will continue to earn $70 each year for the next 10 years. As you can see, simple interest remains constant over time, and after 10 years, you would still have $1,000 from your initial investment and $700 worth of items you purchase with your earnings for a total of $1,700. Now, let's look at scenario number 2. Same example as scenario 1. In the first year, you earned the same $70. However, instead of spending the $70, you reinvested it. In year 2, you'll get $70 from your initial $1,000 investment, plus $4.90 from the $70 interest you reinvested for a total of $1,144.90. By adding your interest to your principal each year, you'll earn an extra $267.15 in interest over the same time period. This type of growth is called compound interest, as it is interest on interest that allows you to accumulate riches without having to do anything. Your passive income will rise tremendously if you continue to reinvest your money. The benefit of compound interest may not seem very large to start with, but remember that time is your best friend when it comes to reaping the rewards of compounding. The earlier you begin investing, the higher your returns will be. Let's look at another example, again assuming a 7% annual return. Scenario number 1. At the age of 25, you begin investing. You put down $20,000 per year, for a total of $220,000, over 10 years. You decide to stop adding to your investment portfolio after that, and leaves your money invested for the following 30 years. Scenario number 2. You only start at the age of 35, and invest $20,000 every year for the next 30 years. This totals to $620,000 invested. Can you tell which scenario will give you more money in retirement? As you can see from this graph, scenario 1 only invested for 10 years, yet ended up with more money in retirement than if you started investing later in life. This is why it's critical to get started investing as soon as possible, and it's something I wish I'd known when I was younger. While saving is vital, genuine wealth is impossible to obtain without compound interest. Compound interest may help you increase your wealth, plan for future financial needs, and enhance your overall lifestyle. However, it requires a long-term approach. Thank you so much for watching. If you like this video and would like to see more from me, please subscribe below, hit the like button, and check back next week for more personal finance guidance.